Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is the package install. So this is my first time ever installing packages. We just picked them up, and I can't wait to get going here, but I'm going to wait on a couple friends of mine. One is a brand new beekeeper, never even been out to a hive yet. He's going to be fully suited up, I imagine, and we'll see how he does. And a veteran beekeeper, my friend Jim. Can't wait till they get here. We're going to get these into the hives. These are basically nuke boxes I built in a Layen style. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and made a special hive top feeder for them. The hive top feeder looks like this. You may have seen ones like this online. It's very similar. The only difference is this one's set up for a Layen style hive. Well, we'll just wait for our friends and then we'll get started installing these packages. Watch up, Mark. You gotta do yours. Here I'm trying to remove the syrup can from the package. Took me a little bit. I was able to get it out and get the queen out just fine. Should probably knock them down a little bit. Now they're one queen in there, no attendance. I was surprised that the queen cage didn't have any attendance in. Here I'm conferring with Jim. I realized after I did some research that when you're shipping a package, the queen doesn't need to have attendance. The bees in the package will take care of her. What a relief. This thing. At this point, it was time to get the cork out of the queen cage. This will allow the bees to get to the sugar, they slowly eat through it, and let the queen loose. I had a little trouble with the safety pin, and the cork seemed to come out in tiny little pieces. Like 40 packages. Is that the way you're supposed to remove the cork? That's what they're using as a safety pin, but... Well, you got cork, little mini cork screw? Yeah. Another screw. Well, she's definitely attracting bees, so that's good. You can see why most guys do this barehanded. Kind of a pain in those. I saw some guys on YouTube using zip ties to hold the queen cage in. I thought this was a good idea because with the Layens frame, there's no gaps between the top of the frames. Therefore, I wouldn't really be able to put the queen cage up between the frames. This seemed to work well, and we decided to put one in the middle on one package and one in the bottom on the other package. It goes upside down.
No, really. If it swings around, it's not going to hurt anything.
All right. Oh. I'm in. Not even any room to put these down in.
Well, you got to kind of wiggle it a little bit as you go down. So, as long as you don't squash them, they're all right. They'll move out of the way. looking good. They found the entrance already.
Yeah.
See, the follower board is this one?
This
Oh,
one
this
here.
one here, okay.
I figure 3 frames is about the size of one nuke. It's volume. So I'm going to start them out with 3 frames. That'll be like a nuke.
Okay.
Is there 5 in there, though?
What's that?
There's 5.
Well, I have those other ones in there just in case they get crazy and start making foam on the other side. At least they have something to start with.
Yeah.
I think I heard a bee.
I think you killed a bee.
Only one died in that whole process. That's pretty good. Shoot, we got some sugar up there.
Oh, you're supposed to open it.
Here I'm adding the leftover syrup that came with the package. It'll get the bees a good start before I get some syrup mixed up. Well, I think that went pretty well. Thanks for watching my first ever package install. We're going to open these up in about 3 or 4 days. Make sure the queen got out of the cage and see what these bees have been up to. So make sure to subscribe, and next week I'll have that video and we'll take a look at what these guys have been up to.